Let's make a chocolate cake that, besides being delicious, has a little secret to make it super fluffy. Everyone has a good chocolate cake recipe, right? This is my favorite recipe that I always make. It's a simple recipe, easy to make because you don't even need a blender or a mixer. So let's get started. First, I'm going to mix the liquids. It's 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of oil. I'll mix it well and set it aside. In another bowl, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 1.5 cups of flour. And now my little secret. The original recipe for this cake used 2 cups of flour, but I replaced half a cup with cornstarch. This will make the cake tastier and fluffier. By the way, in any cake recipe, you can substitute part of the flour with cornstarch. The result is a much softer and fluffier cake because cornstarch is lighter than flour. This will help the cake rise more easily in the oven. Try it yourself now. If a recipe calls for 3 cups of wheat flour, you can use 2 cups flour and 1 cup cornstarch instead. If the recipe calls for 4 cups of wheat flour, you can use 3 cups of wheat flour and 1 cup of cornstarch. It'll work out and the cake will be fluffy. Now I'll add the liquids to the dry ingredients and mix. I'll add a tablespoon of baking powder. Pour into a greased floured pan and bake in a preheated 180 degrees Celsius oven for 45 minutes. The cake has cooled, so I'll remove it from the pan and top it with a soft brigadeiro. Add any topping you like or none. This cake is already delicious on its own. This cake was so tasty and fluffy, I wanted to give it to a dear friend. I'm sending one of these cakes to Sandra from Recetas e Temperos, whom I adore. Sandra, I'm sending you one of these and hope you all can come. Let me know your thoughts. See you soon.